Okay, I thought I'd do a review on this. Well, it's a bit of a review and a bit of a cooking thing. I got this the other day from, yesterday actually, from, there we go, Dunelm chopper. I think it's 18 quid. And I was thinking, well, how good is it and how powerful is it? Because you know when you put meat in it, something like that, it doesn't do a very good job. I'm going to show you something now which is quite impressive for the price of this item. Okay, so I'm just going to get some stuff ready, back with you. Well, actually no, I've got the drawers open. I will get him out now for you. Here we go. That's the top. This is the base. This all comes together in the package, so what you do, you just put the rubber, stop it from sliding at the bottom, put that on top, plastic lid comes off. This thing fits on a spring so you can clean it. Do not touch those. That's why these are like razor blades on ruddy steroids. They're unbelievably sharp. Look at the shape of them. Anyway, so it goes in there, pushes, turns, and it locks into position. And then what we're going to do, if you bear with me, we're going to put an onion in and a whole breast of chicken. I'm going to try the onion on its own first. Let's see what it does. I've not tried that yet. So also, if you look up here, so we've got 240 volt. I'm not plugged in, I'm in the van, and we've got a plug socket up there, I think I've seen before, and down there I have a jackery. So what I do with the jackery, I go down here and I press this button here, which turns on the power for the 240 volt, which comes round here, up, underneath here, through there, to that. So and then we have 240 volts going to that, and we plug it in, like so, and then it should just work. It does work. Once it's pushed into here, there's a switch underneath there. Didn't even know that. So this is a good learning curve for me as well. Chops that up nicely. And then, what we do then, put the whole breast in, just like that. Put the lid back on. Doesn't matter which way around the lid goes on. Put it in. This is what I mean by these blades. Watch this. Going round. It absolutely pulverizes it. I tell you what, that is a cracking bit of kit. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add a couple of ingredients. So you can add whatever you want. I'm going to make, this is going to make, so it's a whole breast of chicken. It's going to be 1 egg. That's to bind it. Just get you into position, sorry. Yeah. Let's go, there we go. That's better. So an egg. Organic. So it's all, this is all natural, organic onions, organic egg, organic chicken. So put that in there out of the way. All right, just hold on, we'll look for some spices. Tiny little bit garlic granules, hardly anything. Some proper sea salt. This is from France. This is Celtic salt. Not too much, just a couple of, well, not even just a good pinch. All right, you don't, because it's quite strong. All right, so I might be selling that on a website soon. I don't know. I've not decided what to do, but that is lovely. Okay, and for a change, I've never done this before, so I'm going to try. Hold on, we'll just give it a shake. A little bit of sweet chili sauce. I love this stuff. Don't go mad, just a little bit. It's not that strong, it's quite nice. It's not over here, no, over hot. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Put the lid back on, like so. Put the motor back in. It's that simple. That's it. Get a nice hot frying pan, and then what we'll do, we'll make some chicken nuggets. This is for the, well, it's safe for the kids or for the grandkids or even for myself, because you can add some ingredients to it, and then you've got all this mixture, and then it's sweet chili sauce, salt, pepper and whatever you want to do. Oh, I haven't put any pepper. I'm not going to bother with that for now. And you just fry them off and make little patties or little chicken nuggets. A nice non-stick pan. There's not, I thought there was a electronic ignition, but they're not on these. What we're looking for, front one. So 2 seconds. Oh, there we go. That's quite little devices. You push that little forward, which I forgot, and look. A second to catch up. And here we go. Right. Put the pan on, and I'm going to use, there we go, chili, what? Infused olive oil. Just a little bit of that. All you need. And take the blade out. Just turn it, and then you'll find that it. Do not touch the blades. Do not. I'm not joking. These are really dangerous. And I used to be a butcher, and I know what it's like. And these are sharp. Right, so we'll put him to one side. There we go. And now what we do, we can make nuggets or whatever you want to make. Just like that. Can you see that or not? Yeah, of course you can. I mean, you can probably put breadcrumbs with them as well if you wanted to. I'll make a few of these. Smells lovely. So you can make them into a shape if you wish, like little patties or whatever you want to do. Just squeeze them down. Let's get them on the heat. I'll put one more in. Bit messy, hence the gloves. Put that to one side. What we'll do, take the gloves off. Okay. Put it over. Oh, look at that. Once you flip them over, you can put a bit of pressure on them then, look, see? Make them into like little pancakes if you wish. Which will, of course, make them cook even quicker. Oh, look at them, look. Amazing. Now this is a recipe that I saw off social media. I'm not too sure it was TikTok or Amazon. I mean, different recipes, the same sort of principle, but it shows you what to do with the chicken. So I'm not taking it away from them people. I don't know who it was. And I just thought, well, that's a cracking idea. It makes life a lot easier. And good if you're on a high protein diet as well, like not like the Atkins or something similar. Take the bits off as well because they're edible. They're all edible. Lovely. Right, not too high because we don't want it spitting everywhere, especially in the van. And there we go. I'll let that cook for a bit. I'll give you a quick view of the setup in the van. There we go. The one thing I haven't done is this job. I've got to finish this job off, which is to put the sink and the water to a container so that it drains out. That's the only thing. This is my kitchen. Okay, I said that with the jackery down there. It's also linked. There is another power source here, which is from Shore Power, or whatever you want to call it. I can't get to it at the moment. There's an extension lead here. USB. There's a Wi-Fi charger. Okay, these are my cupboards. Fridge, if anybody's interested. Alpha Cool, can't beat them. I got an air fryer in here as well. That's ready to go. You could actually air fry them if you wanted to in this, and that'll work from that socket as well, and from the jackery at the same time. Okay, I've got a couple of spare cupboards down here, not being used. In here, that's where I keep the chopper. Drawers with utensils, everything I need, extra lighter, a few cans in there, nothing much. Down below, saucepans, pans, a couple of gas cylinders, stuff like that we need. Underneath, well, of course we've got the jackery, toilet, that's my training bag, and then we just got plenty of room. There's the room at the back, tons of room. And the bedroom, and that's it really. And this is my top cupboard for just like condiments, and all that's where we got the cupboards from, and the salt. Got a coffee and everything else that goes with it. And there we go, that's my setup. Right, so we'll let them cook a bit longer and we'll give them a taste test. Let me give them one more flip. Oh yeah, I would say they're not far off. Now don't forget, you can dip this in. If you've got these kids on the table, you can put a little ramekin or something, put some sauce in it, and they just dip them in. There we go, I'll turn that off. Let them cool down now for a bit. Okay, time for a taste test. We might get some more of this out, so I'm going to give it a go without any condiments, I think. There we go. Give it a quick taste. Yep. You can even add, it's got a kick as well. You can even add, if you wanted to, garlic, because garlic's out at the moment. Garlic leaves in the garden or wherever you can find them. Oh, it's got a bit of a kick. Oh, I like that. Just not much, nothing. You wouldn't sort of go, ooh, too much. Let's try that. I love that. Ooh. Absolutely amazing. They are amazing. Right, try another one. I'm going to put a bit of sauce on it. Here we go. So simple to make, and especially if you're not, some people just don't like chicken, or I mean, the thing is with it, you can make some really cheap meals, because you can buy chicken thighs really cheap and then bone them out if you're okay at boning them out. Let's try this one. Amazing. The actual egg binds it. Nothing's overpowering. The only thing I've got now is there's a nice chili sauce on the top. You've got the chicken, the onion. There's a bit of, well, you can't really taste the salts there. Yeah. I mean, come on, the kids would love this. I'm sure they would. Well, I love them anyway. But a great diet, a great high protein diet. All right. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That would be great. If you want to, subscribe if you want to. There's loads more coming. I've got a lot of videos on YouTube. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.